If you want more time in your life, it helps to know a few shortcuts. That's why we created easy-to-use tools that let you manage most of your account tasks quickly and easily. Here's how to make a payment using the American Express website. Go to AmericanExpress.ca and log into your account. Then choose Make Payment. Make sure you enroll your preferred bank in ePay and confirm the bank account that you are going to use. Select the payment date. Then select an amount. You can pay the amount due, the account balance, or enter another amount. Then click on Next. Just make sure that the details are all in order and click Confirm. After your payment goes through, you'll get a confirmation number. That's it! Now you know how to make an American Express payment virtually anywhere. Check out our other videos about managing your American Express account from your phone or the web. American Express. Don't be digital without it. Don't live life without it.